When I was younger, I nearly drowned on a school trip. I did kind of have to be rescued. Yeah, I try and avoid water at all costs.
Jackie has been paired with energy consultant and GB bobsledder James H.
That'll be right, thank you. She's worried.
She's very stressed. She's absolutely terrified. But she's trying to put on a brave face.
Ready? Stand by. Capsule approaching the water surface. And brace for impact. Hands out the door, please. Stand by. Eyes open.
With her eyes shut, Jackie can't find the handle. For safety, Jim opens the door for her.
You got it? Yeah. There you go. No problem. No problem.
Nobody wants a panicked astronaut. The only way that you can be ready to think like an astronaut is to have changed who you are. When something happens that has a great impact, you've turned yourself into somebody who has a different fundamental response.
Capsule's going to be upside down this time, so this is much worse. I will be fascinated to see how Jackie is with the stars.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I'm surprised, truly, that she's actually going the second time. Much better. She didn't panic as much when she came out of the water this time. Jackie clearly was distressed, but despite being afraid, she had the capability to take on the task and carrying on with the mission.
Did it? I'm really pleased for her that she pushed through it, because I know she would have been beating herself up if she hadn't.
And if it was like normal circumstances, I would have never got in that capsule, and I'd never done it. I genuinely thought that I might like drown.
Yeah, well, she definitely had a problem with that. I wasn't sure if she was going to do it.
Obviously, we all have respect for her guts and her fortitude. The real question is, do you want that person sitting next to you in a spaceship?